Just want to say, please make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, be part of an awesome family. I mean, you know how we do it. It's always by force to subscribe to an African YouTube channel.
Oh yes, oh yes. This is my brother from another mother. This is where Kenya meets Ghana.
Exactly.
Hello, what's up, people? Again, welcome to my channel. I told you I got my brother from another mother, Mr. Maya, baby. Another you can say, I am Maya. The man who is actually trying to promote Africa, you know, Africa to the world.
Wow.
And I got a question for him.
Feel free.
Do you think Africa is going to unite at some place? Do you think we are going to unite? Like, have the same passport, have the same, you know, everything, do have this one president like the United States of Africa?
Yeah, it's my dream to see Africa unite, but right now the people that we have in power is making it difficult for Africans to come together. But I mean, socially it's happening, but at the top it's not.
It's a bit high.
Exactly. And I believe that we will be at the top someday. So someday I believe that when we get to the top, we'll make the difference. So,
do you think the current generation is able to fight?
I believe so, because it's
already have the energy.
Because it's already happening on social media. I mean, I was in Namibia, and then people love me for who I am. People love me because I'm coming from Ghana.
Yeah.
See, you're from Kenya. Can I hug you?
Oh yeah.
This is what I'm saying. It's happening. I mean, like, social media is bringing young Africans together. So for me, I believe that in future, someday, this generation will make that change.
We're going to make
that change.
Like, if I decide to go to Tanzania tomorrow, or rather today, I'll just decide to
go
get into a bus and go.
Let me tell you something funny. I was in Namibia, and then there was a curfew. But if you walk like within 2 minutes, you'll be in Angola. Right? Where I was staying in Namibia, if you walk 2 minutes, you'll be in Angola. So these guys wanted to drink alcohol, right? And they realized that no, there's curfew. So they packed their cars in Namibia and then walked to Angola to go and drink alcohol.
I think I'm not seeing you clear.
Do you understand what I'm saying? So, just the border is just a line that, I mean, separate us. These guys just cross the border and then just go there and then drink alcohol.
Because it's a bit hard for this person to actually drive in.
Yeah, because you can't drive in because of the border, right? But you can literally walk and go and sit there and do whatever you want to do. And the police from Namibia cannot arrest you because you're already in Angola. I walked to Angola without a passport. I walked to Angola without a visa. So basically, I believe that it's just borders. It's just lines that people are using to, I mean, how do you call it, differentiate us. But it's time for us to break these borders and
become one.
Thank you.
Where would you think to have the central, you know, everything centered at?
You know, that's a tough question.
The moment we talk,
nobody has ever asked me this question.
No, but as we think of like coming together, like let me say like the United States of America, their headquarters is
Washington.
It's in Washington. How about now? What you are fighting to have Africa together? What do you think?
I think it has to be Ethiopia, Addis Ababa.
Why Ethiopia?
Because it's the political capital for Africa. Right now, all the African Union meets in Ethiopia. So I believe that if we ever want to make Africa, I mean, together, our headquarters needs to be in Ethiopia. I mean, I would love to say Ghana, but
not Kenya.
No. I mean, like when you talk about the history of Africa, it should have been Ghana, because Ghana is the first African country to gain its independence, right? So, I mean, Ghana is the father of all African nations, but currently we have Ethiopia as the headquarters. So I believe that if Africa becomes one, Ethiopia should be the headquarters.
Oh yes.
Maybe Kenyatta would be, I mean,
Don't say that. What motivated you?
Yeah, what I'm gonna say is that what really motivated me is like I wanted to see the true beauty of Africa. You know, Africa is just like a gold covered in death, right? So the more you clean the death around the gold, the more you see the true beauty of Africa, right? So I was just there hearing Africa, but I never got a chance to travel within Africa. I mean, my colleagues were like, yo, you come from Africa? Africa, poverty shrinking places and all of that. And when they started saying that, I'm like, you know what? I'm from the village, but I'm gonna use that phrase of being a village boy, but traveling within Africa to discover the true beauty of Africa. So inspiration actually came from what my friends were saying, my colleagues were saying, and I wanted to show them
that Africa is something.
That's it, and that is why I call myself the village boy who's on a journey to change the narratives of Africa, changing that perception of what people see and think about Africa, and that is what really motivated
you to go out.
Exactly, and I don't think I will stop anytime soon because I'm now loving it more than anything. So I'll keep from one country to another until we get to our final country.
Where do you see yourself, Wode Maya? Where do you see yourself, let's say, in the next 2, 4, 6 years?
In the next, how many years?
2, 4, or 6 years.
Okay, so in the next 6 years, you will see a whole mainstream media called Wode Maya.
Wode Maya TV?
Wode Maya TV, where I'm not be the one to tell the stories, but we get people from Nairobi to start telling their stories from Nairobi, and then we'll be streaming it live on the TV station. So every African country, just tell us what is happening in your country, but we need positive stuff, something encouraging, something that will inspire more Africans to go out there. So that is what we're actually working on, and in 6 years' time, maybe
we are going to
you might even be telling us stories from Nairobi live on the Wode Maya.
Who knows?
Exactly.
What are some of the challenges you faced as a YouTuber when you go out there in the streets?
First of all, I'll say finances is a challenge because traveling in Africa is so expensive.
It's a bit expensive.
And apart from that, I mean, other Africans embracing you, knowing that we are just the same people, is really difficult. Some of them don't even want to see you because they're coming from, they have their own perception about the country that you're coming from. So immediately they see you, they start judging you, right? So, I mean, basically, these are the few challenges that I face by being arrested, deported, and then all sort of, I mean, things that I don't think an African needs to go through. So we go through all these things, but I believe that that cannot prevent you from achieving what you want to achieve. So these are the challenges, but we will jump over the challenge and make it to our final destination.
Okay, in your travels around Africa, can you tell us like the best part of Africa you've been to and what happened at that moment?
I mean,
something you feel like, no, I feel like going back to Nairobi.
Okay, so I'll say that Rwanda shocked me in the first place. I go to a country that was so clean, so organized, so close to perfect, and I'm like, wow. I mean, can an African country be this beautiful? And I kept on going to Rwanda. Like, I didn't know why. I just fell in love. I kept going back. And I believe that so many countries can emulate what Rwanda has done and replicate it in our various countries, you know, because it's possible. Sometimes they say, oh, it's not possible, but Rwanda has done it. And I believe that all of us can also do it too. I love Rwanda, and so far it has been one of my favorite countries in Africa.
Okay, so as we wind up, what can you tell the upcoming YouTubers, or rather the young people of Africa?
Stay true to yourself, be you, do your thing, forget everybody, stop trying to be like somebody else, be authentic, be yourself, and trust me, the space is big for everyone, and believe me, when you bring what you're capable of, there are people who will enjoy what you do. Exactly. So just be you, and one thing is be patient. It's very important. Patience matters. Stop trying to succeed in a very short time. You know,
it doesn't work like that.
Take your
time. You have to grow step by step.
Take your time, grow step by step, and believe me, you will make it. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, be part of this awesome family. It's your favorite village boy right here, and I'm gonna tell you, it's by force to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to smile, be happy, and be you. Thank you.